Hello friends, welcome to Cook with Surbhi. Today I am going to show you a very healthy recipe of whole wheat banana cake. This is a very simple, very easy recipe. I hope you will like this video. Please watch it till end. Let's start. For this I have taken 3 big size banana. You can take 4 medium size bananas. After then we will take 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour or गेहूं का आटा. Then here half cup brown sugar, 2/3 cup of vegetable oil or unflavored oil. Then 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, chopped almonds. This is the white choco chips, totally optional, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence for flavor. Now let's start the process. So friends, in a mixer jar we are going to take all the bananas. I am just peeling off its outer skin. And friends, you can use a spoon as well to mash the banana. I am not using a spoon. I am using mixer jar to ensure that no any lumps or any big part of banana remains. So now I am going to blend it. So after blending, the mashed banana is ready. Now in a separate bowl I am going to take oil, 2/3 cup, and brown sugar. So brown sugar is considered to be a healthy option. That's why I have used, because it's one of the healthy tea time cake. With the help of a hand blender I am going to mix it. Now into this I am putting all the mashed banana and give it a very good mix. So friends, whatever lumps still are there, you can remove it. If you can see, there are some lumps, so you can remove it or you can keep it also as well. But keeping it maybe there is a chances of not getting the cake so fluffy, so it's better to remove those lumps. Now in a sieve I have taken 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour. Into this I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So friends, it's very important to sieve your whole wheat flour at least 2 to 3 times so that we can incorporate air into it. Now I am adding this mixture to the wet ingredients which we have prepared. So first I have put just half of the whole wheat flour, means whole wheat flour mixture, which we have sieved it right now, and now I am going to give it a very good mix. With the very light hands you have to do this. So friends, banana is itself a rising agent. And when we will incorporate it with baking powder and baking soda, a very good fluffiness will come to your whole wheat flour. Now I have added the rest of the mixture into the wet ingredients and give it a very good mix. So friends, in this case as we are using whole wheat flour, it's a kind of a bit coarse than the all-purpose flour, that is maida. So the mixture will be a bit thick, not as flowy as the normal cake. So friends, if you have seen, I have added vanilla essence at last, and I have preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. So friends, you can see the consistency. It's a very thick consistency here. Now into this I am adding half of the almonds which I have chopped earlier and half of the choco chips. I am adding into the batter because when you will eat it, it will give you very crunchiness inside the cake. So now you see the consistency, a very thick consistency is there. So no issues. Now I am going to transfer this batter to my cake tin. So this is the cake tin. Now I am going to grease it. So friends, you can use parchment paper as well. In this lockdown I am not having parchment paper, so I am greasing it, and then I am going to dust some flour over it. So now I am going to transfer this batter, cake batter, to my cake tin. So friends, you can see the thickness. Now with the help of a spatula I am going to level it. And on the top I am adding all those white choco chips and almonds over it, and then tap the tin, and now it will go to my oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After 35 minutes my cake is ready. Now I am going to check this. I am inserting a toothpick into it. Now you see the toothpick comes out very clean, so it means the cake is done. So now I will keep it for at least half an hour to get it cooled down, because right now it's very hot. So after an hour the cake has been cooled down, and I am going to demold it. You see how easily it has been demolded. And now I will cut and I will show you the piece. So friends, see how soft and fluffy this cake comes out, and it is very tasteful. I would bet that you cannot resist to eat it, and very healthy option. I hope you have liked my video, and I hope you will try this recipe. It's a must try recipe, and give me your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.